What is up everybody, welcome back on my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to delete your Instagram account. First go to settings, and from settings I'm going to click on the help center, and once you guys do that, click on the second option, which is managing your account. Click on delete your account, and from here you want to click on the second option once again, how do I delete my account, and go to the first step. Click on delete your account page, and from here Instagram will direct you to this login where you need just to type in your username, your Instagram username, and then your password. And once you guys do this, click on login. And from here Instagram is going to ask you why do you want to delete your account, and just click on one reason. And once you guys do that, you will need to re-enter your password. Once you guys re-enter your password, just click on the first on this red button, permanently delete my account, and click on OK. And that's about it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys next time. Till then, peace out.